numerous pages. And some of the ones that are on here I didn't assign, so you really don't have to worry about the ones. Okay, looking at number 1, convert LCDs to, same thing, convert LCDs, common denominators. I mean, if I were you, this is what I would do just to prepare for the test. Is to go through all the answer sheets from page 194 there, first assignment. Worksheet number 1, they're all there. Worksheet number 2, they're all there. That's all the problems I assigned you on proven identities. Now, the test, I'm just going to, you're going to have problems where you got to use an identity, convert to sines and cosines, freshman algebra, multiply by reciprocal. There's going to be a lot of problems where you have to convert to sines and cosines and then use algebra. There's probably going to be at least one problem on the test where you got to do that conjugate concept. Now, how are you going to know to do that conjugate stuff? What do you have to see in the problem to even consider it? This is my final review here. This is all the stuff I've done. The conjugate concept, you know where you now, Adam, let me come back to you. You mentioned that here. If you would have times this one by 1 minus cosine over 1 minus cosine and did that, and if you would have times this one by 1 plus cosine over 1 plus cosine, which essentially is going to end up giving you the same thing, that would have been fine. So what you said would have worked. How do you know to use the conjugate? Blah. Yeah.
Oh, there's like 1 plus a term and 1 minus.
Well, no. Be more specific than that.
Like a cosine or.
When it's 1 plus or minus a sine or a cosine, there's the conjugate concept. You don't see that, forget it. Let's see here. Remember sine squared plus cosine squared, that equals 1. You might have to do some factoring. Like if you see, difference of squares. I had one on the board yesterday. We had to do difference of squares and then go from there. You might have a place in your problem where you got to take out a GCF. This is all stuff that I've done in the last few days. You might have to square a binomial. You know what I mean by that? Square the first times the two together, double it, square the second. That's it. I mean, that's what you're going to have. Now, before I get to this thing, first of all, does anyone have any questions about the test before I do this? Or Joe, go ahead.
There's not going to be any as hard as that trick one last night, is there?
It's not a trick problem. Why are you labeling it a trick problem?
I think you said it was a trick.
No, it works.
Challenge.
I said it's a slightly more challenging, I said. It's not a trick problem. It ain't like it don't work. The damn thing works. Does anyone think they got it? Oh, man, this is disappointing.
I'm working.
Come forward, Joe. Are you rolling here?
Yeah.
Okay, because I was at Ian's house last night,
Okay.
and I was working with Ian on proven identities, and he was picking things up pretty quick here. And I kind of told him that tomorrow's video might be quite entertaining for you, Ian, because Joe Campbell's going to come up and tackle this trick problem that I gave, he said. So, I'm going to be off to the side here, Will. No, I'm sorry, Matt. Why I keep doing that? Sorry.
Should I erase this?
Huh?
Should I erase this?
Sure. So he can be the primary person here. And realize Ian's you're going to be a big part of it. He can't wait to watch this video. Don't do anything or say anything that's stupid and inappropriate. You know what I mean? My voice will come through on this, even if you're not panned on me, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Now, no, hold on.
What?
Okay, because there will be yelling involved here. Okay, there's the problem. You don't have to write it again.
Oh, so
get your butt over here.
Okay.
We got to put a show on here for. He can't wait to watch this tonight.
So first thing we're going to do is square the binomial. So that's going to be secant squared theta minus 2 secant theta tan theta, and then plus tan squared theta plus 1. And over here, I took out cosecant. Would that be right to do?
Look at the camera, not me.
I don't know if that. Okay,
What?
so
What?
I'm gonna take out the cosecant and then put parentheses.
You know how I want you to do this? I want you to do this as if you're helping Ian do this problem. So like when you're talking,
All right.
you know, I want you to, you don't have, do it like you're talking to him.
Okay.
Because he's struggling a little bit. So if you want to use his name, be my guest.
All right.
If you want to ad-lib a little bit, be my guest. Just be careful because I don't want to have to punch you on video.
All right. All
Okay,
right.
go.
So in here we see there's cosecant, so we can take that out. So we're gonna go cosecant theta.
What do you mean take it out?
Like that. Factor it out.
Thank you.
Secant. Oh. Secant theta minus 10.
There's a big difference on knowing how to do a problem and then knowing how to explain the problem. Continue.
I don't know either.
Goofball. Sit
So-
there. Now, if any of you guys have a question, you raise your hand. You can ask them. Seriously.
All right.
Continue, damn it.
So.
Oh, might have to bleep that out. All right, go ahead.
So tan squared theta plus 1 equals secant squared theta, because that's an identity. So we're going to bring this down, and we're going to do it in one step, so it's going to be 2 secant squared.
Can you stand on the other side? Yeah, because then I can see what you're doing.
Okay.
You're blocking me.
So instead of just, I'm going to do 2 steps in one, bring it down.
No, the hell with that. Oh, sorry.
One step in one. All right, I'll do one step at a time, all right.
That's why I don't like to be.
So secant squared theta minus 2 secant theta tan theta.
You're blocking me again.
I know, I'm right-handed.
Oh, okay.
I'll just go like this. Minus secant squared theta, and then bring the thing down. And then I'm
You
not
don't call things in math.
bring the
You don't
denominator.
call something in mathematics a thing.
I'm gonna draw the fraction. Yeah. So cosecant theta, secant theta minus tan theta. And then we're gonna add these together.
Okay, stop for a second. Does anyone have a question? Seriously. Continue.
Alright. So we're gonna add these together, so it's gonna be 2 secant. Alright, I'm gonna make that smaller, so I have more room. Oh, yeah. Alright, 2 secant squared theta minus 2 secant theta tan theta. And then I'm gonna change these into their sine and cosine. So it's gonna be 1 over sine theta times 1 over cosine theta minus sine theta over cosine theta. And then close parentheses.
Okay, stop for a second. Where's your equal signs after each step? Not to be picky. I'm not, a real picky person. Okay. Are you with this? Seriously. Continue!
Alright. So now
Bear with them, Ian.
I'm gonna change these to sines and cosines, so it's 2 over cosine squared theta minus 2 sine theta over cosine theta. And then draw the fraction bar, whatever that, yeah. What, did I do something wrong?
I don't know. Go ahead. We'll see. Can I interject?
Yeah.
Does anyone in the audience see something that might have been better to do backed up here one step? If you're really on your game? Ooh, Jack.
Is there a... Oh.
Did you hear what he said?
Yeah. So should I do that
No,
first?
no, right here. Do you all see that 2 secant of theta is a common factor? Everybody? Okay. I hate to do this. Don't be mad at me. There's always a better way. Okay. See the G? Oh, shoot. I'm sorry. I erased. No, put that back. I apologize, Joe. I erased too much there.
Alright. 2 secant theta tan theta
Over.
Try to just keep that.
Bring it down. Yeah.
Don't change it to cosine and sine.
No. Hell. No. No.
Alright. Tan
Okay, now
theta.
we're
Now we're gonna take this out. Take 2 secant
No, I
out.
want to stop you again. Jack, why were you so astute to do that? Oh, damn it. He's too big of a word. I don't usually use words like that, too. It sounds weird coming out of my mouth. How are you so clever to do that? Oh, I'm giving you a compliment. You said take the GCF out. What's the GCF, Joe?
2 secant theta.
Go ahead, factor it out.
Alright.
Always try to stay a step ahead of yourself.
Minus tan theta.
Wow, does that look nice? Somebody really tell me why. That's beautiful. Do you know why?
I'm gonna guess it equals 1.
There's no guessing.
Wait. Oh no, it equals
No, look at the rest of your problem.
it equals cosecant.
No, that's not what I mean.
Oh.
Look at your denominator.
Oh, they cancel out.
Ah, bring down the denominator.
Alright. Bringing down the denominator now.
It's going to be a hit.
It's pretty fun. Just gotta rewrite it. Nothing to it.
That's what I wanted you to do, a little ad-libbing.
Now we can cancel these out. This X marks the spot right there.
Wait, what is this? We don't cancel. What's this X marks a spot stuff?
We can't cancel that?
Yeah, but that ain't how we do it with X's.
Okay, so let's put it in different words. You didn't like it, so you didn't put a ring on it.
Oh my God, Ian, are you getting all this? Now he's singing songs. Oh my God.
And then we're
This is a
there.
classic.
So just bring it down 2 secant theta over cosecant theta.
Now what are you gonna?
Are we?
Thank you.
Are we there? Do we know why we're here? Anyone answer?
Oh, he's getting into it now.
Can I give an answer?
Mr. Alexa, come on in. You are missing the show. This is on video.
All right, we'll choose Dowds.
You know why?
Dowds.
Well, I don't understand this stuff. Oh, hey, what's up? This is on video. Mr. Parsons, come on in. Say hello to Ian.
Oh, what's up, Ian?
Yeah, this is all on video, man.
Oh,
This is all going to him.
oh, so it's a classic.
It's the Joe Campbell show right
You
now.
better not screw up.
He's trying to do this tricky identity.
Oh.
It was tricky.
It was.
Isn't there a song about that?
Who sings
Tricky.
it?
I don't know. Is there?
Jeez, I'm
What?
trying to.
Who sings It's Tricky?
Oh, it's tricky to rock that one.
Yeah.
I know that.
How's it go?
It's tricky. It's tricky to rock around to rock around.
That's beautiful.
That's it.
Oh my God, this is awesome.
Run DMC.
What?
Run DMC.
I don't know who.
Do I know my
That's
songs?
What?
Do I know my song? I knew there was a song
Yeah.
like that. Tricky.
That's exactly it.
Mr. Alexa don't remember that song. You don't remember that song.
I don't want to remember.
Oh, I don't know. That was a pretty good beat, don't you think?
He
yeah.
You did it good.
Campbell.
Thank you. Yeah. All right, so why are we almost there? Dowds.
Oh, now he's gonna. Oh, now he's gonna. You're really getting comfortable now, aren't you?
Because
Tapping on the damn podium.
Oh, well, should I change it to sine and cosine first before that? Probably should have. All right, we're gonna bring this over here.
Ooh, a big arrow. Go ahead.
All right, so
Start. Nice of you to show up. How long does it take to put all the stuff away?
Father Jason had to show Mr. Moffat everything in the whole church and wouldn't give us the keys. So all the attackers relate. I was the first one to lead it too.
Test is tomorrow.
I know.
You missed the whole
Did you
thing.
get this problem?
Now I won't.
All right, what are you doing there?
Changing them to sine and cosine.
Go ahead.
So, cosecant is 1 over sine. And then we're gonna
You guys see it, right?
take
See how
out,
it's kind of fall into place for you? Shape them up.
reciprocate it. Yeah, reciprocate it. So it's, well, you can just do 2 over cosine theta times sine theta, because that reciprocates to that.
So that's over 1.
Yeah,
And some people like to put the over 1 because it makes them feel good, right?
yeah.
Are you one of those people? That
I
like to
feel
see
good
the
right
over- You feel good because you put over 1. You
And you
laugh. A lot of kids do that.
Multiply it so it's 2 sine theta over cosine theta. And we're almost there, dads. What's that?
You pick it on dots.
Alright, Dumas, yeah.
Dumas? I thought it was Dumas. I mean, I've been saying it wrong all year.
It's Dumont.
Dumbass, same thing.
Oh, now gamble! See, now you're crossing the line. Ian, we know that was a no-no. You crossing the line, man. I'm gonna start hitting you here. Dang.
I called him before.
You don't have to take that from him.
D-U-M-A-S.
Dumas, go ahead, continue.
And then you just take out sine theta over cosine theta equals tan, so it equals 2 tan theta.
And there's the famous check mark.
Here we go.
Huh?
Here we go. How many problems? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Took my sister 5 steps.
Honestly, you know, anyone that's sitting there, you know, looking at it going, wow, that was super hard. Everything that he did in that is stuff we've been doing since before Christmas. All the algebra, the factoring, the script, all of it. Nobody got it though? You didn't get it either?
No.
Until you kind of got up here?
Yeah. I tried
Oh,
twice.
you were going to,
I've gone wrong.
you were flipping all them things to sines and cosines. And you know
Yeah.
what? You probably eventually would have got it, but it would have taken you more steps.
Yeah.
You got to be astute enough or clever enough to see if something like that secant and theta minus tan and theta dropped out. Okay, have a seat. Nice job, Joe.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.